ProScoreboard is designed to help athletic programs and sports organizations create fully customized scoreboards that look professional, perform reliably, and reflect each team's identity. In this latest release, we focused on modernizing the experience while preserving all of the features you've come to expect from ProScoreboard. Let's start with the platform. ProScoreboard now offers full support for macOS 26 Tahoe, with the minimum supported operating system updated to macOS Sonoma. This delivers improved performance, long-term stability, and confidence that your scoreboard system is ready for current and future Mac hardware. You'll also notice immediate improvements to the overall look and feel of the application. Light mode has been refined, and we have added a new dark mode. You can follow the system appearance or choose light or dark mode explicitly, giving you more control over how ProScoreboard fits into your environment. Combined with refreshed branding, updated icons, and a new global accent color, the interface feels cleaner, more consistent, and easier to navigate. We've also improved the editor experience, especially for users who spend time building and adjusting layouts. You can now pinch to zoom using standard trackpad gestures, making it easier to work on fine details or zoom out for a full layout view. New one-click horizontal and vertical alignment tools in the inspector help you create precise, professional layouts faster, without extra steps or workarounds. Visually, this release adds more flexibility where it matters. ProScoreboard now supports two-color gradient fills, with adjustable angles and opacity control on each color stop. This makes it easier to add depth, contrast, and polish to scoreboard elements, while staying consistent with team branding. And one of the most impactful updates in this release is simplified team branding. Teams can now define their name, short name, icon, and primary and secondary colors once, and reuse that branding throughout their scoreboards. Icons can automatically populate image objects, and team colors can drive shape fills intelligently, including primary and secondary color handling with opacity support. The result is faster setup, fewer manual updates, and more consistent visuals across every scoreboard panel. Together, these updates deliver a more refined editing experience, stronger visual tools, and smarter automation, making now a great time to upgrade to the latest version of ProScoreboard.